Hello guys, welcome to Techavro channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to do my skin on CapCut. So guys, choose the second you want to transition to start. Okay, then click overlay and select a video. And edit a new keyframe and find marks. Tap on split. Now rotate the line to make it 90 degrees or however you would like it to be. Drag the mask and adjust the movements using the keyframe. Each time you adjust the mask line being the video forward, so both videos align, and do what I do. And guys, let's play the video.
How could we ever just be friends?
So guys, that's how you can do my skin on CapCut very easily. And guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And also thanks for watching the video.